Yo, what's up mga ka-hunter? Welcome back to the Hunter's Den. This is Tarantula Series Episode 2 and today we are featuring one of the most iconic arboreal tarantula in the hobby, the Venezuelan sun tiger tarantula with the scientific name Psalmopoeus erminia. One of the most striking features of this tarantula is its coloration. It has a dark black body with bright orange tiger-like patterns on its abdomen and legs, giving it a very bold and aggressive look. Look at that. Want to know some facts? Unlike many New World tarantulas, Psalmopoeus erminia does not have urticating hairs. Instead, it relies on its agility, speed, and defensive posture when it's threatened. And when it comes to feeding, the Venezuelan sun tiger is an excellent hunter. Watch it in your own eyes. Fast, beautiful, and highly active, the Venezuelan sun tiger is truly one of the most fascinating arboreal tarantula in the hobby. And that's our picture for today's episode. Exo Hunter out.